In this video you'll learn how to retrofit an auxiliary cable to your Golf 6 radio using the example of the RCD310. However, the process is the same for many different models. Before you start, you should watch the radio removal tutorial, which is tagged right here. You can also find the link in the description. Now, first, check if your radio plug is from before or after 2010, as there are two different versions depending on the year of manufacture. The old plug is on the left, the new one is shown on the right. The difference is that the old one is clipped from the back while the new one is clipped from the front, meaning you're going to need different types of adapters. As you can see, we have the old plug. Now, check the delivery content. After that, when you look at the table, you can see that the RCD310 requires the blue adapter. When you have the new radio plug, you must use the small blue adapter. When you got the old version, you have to take the big blue adapter and the small black one. Now in the table you can see that the white cable has to be put in port number 7. When you plug it in, make sure to lock the cable. As you can see now, the black cable has to be put in port number 1 and the grey earth cable has to be put in port number 2. Now it should look like this. Put the black plug into the blue adapter to make it fit your old radio plug and plug it in on the left side. That's it. You can pull out the cable and the center console or at the glove compartment or wherever you want. In some cases, you have to activate aux before you can use it. For that, click on the tagged video or find the link in the description.